Meaning of global warming.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature, primarily due to rising levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, leading to a gradual warming of the planet. The consequences of global warming include rising sea levels, more frequent and intense weather events such as hurricanes and droughts, shifting weather patterns, and decreased ice and snow cover. These changes threaten natural ecosystems and human communities, making it imperative that we take action to mitigate and adapt to the impacts of global warming.